So I didn't know, but if you have the Sigma 35 EF version, the Canon mount, there's an update. So if you have it, go do that. What's up, everybody? Amauris Hernandez here. That's the my name. I'm Amauris. So for this video, we're gonna go with this lens. This is an APS-C lens. APS-C lens. They got from Amazon. You see that? It's so tiny. Now, let's put on a body. By the way, I hate it or I dislike it more when people on eBay, they win the bid, but they don't follow with the payment. So it's up again if you want. If you're interested in the a6400, it's up again. So here's a look on how it looks. It's a manual lens, Russian style. Picked it up from Amazon. So if you want this, very budget, it's like below $30. Hit that link in the description and look into the lens. They have it for, they have it for Panasonic and Sony. I'm not sure for Canon or Nikon. I'm pretty sure you could buy a mount converter to mount it onto your camera. So that's a plus. We're gonna test this out for a photo shoot today. It's cloudy outside, so I think I should be good with the 8200. Let me just take that. And yeah, well, I might take the ADB2, the Evolve Twin Head, or the Explorer. I still got time to decide, but let's see. Alright, so on the way to the shoot, and I'm gonna do a few shoots. Well, depending on how many outfits she has. If she has more than one outfit, expect the second outfit for another video. If she has 3 outfits, expect the third outfit for another video. So for this shoot with the vintage lens, I'm gonna use the Glow, what's it called? The Glow 34-inch beauty dish, and I'm gonna use the Explorer. I end up bringing the Explorer. So that's what we will be using. So yeah, now I'm just waiting. I'm gonna go to that area over there. I also brought the strip box and this cop strand around here, which I do know that you don't need a permit shoot here, but just in case, just shoot natural light. Well, look who it is! But I got the light set up, well, halfway set up. I'm just trying to determine a spot for this outfit you see she's wearing. Definitely city vibes, which I wish I could do right now, but you gotta work what you have, because there are people that do not have a city or an industrial location near them. So I'm gonna think out of the box for my situation. All right, so the first thing you want to do is set your ambient, and then you add in the flash later. 1, 2, 3. Why are you not going off, my dude? Why is it not going off? Okay, there we go. Technical difficulties. The thing that sucks about these type of lens is that since it's manual, they're so sensitive at trying to get the face sharp. Alright. That was good. Just bump up just a tad. Oh, something else, compared to autofocus lens, when you shoot in manual, that you could get that focus peaking, that zooms in automatically, that magnifies automatically for you. This doesn't do that, so you gotta depend on that. That's why I'm struggling a bit more, but I shouldn't, because I used to shoot with Canon. 1, 2, y 3. Like for a full body shot, it just looks so weird. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, fam. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why it's not hitting all the time. Yeah, it's like it's not. It goes up when it wants to. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, she's pissing me off. A ver, let's do it again. 1, 2, y 3. Are you laughing at me or are you acting laughing?
No, I'm laughing at you.
Damn. Yo, somebody's gonna die today. Look at that, guys. She's laughing at my struggles right here. What a friend. I don't even want to count anymore. See? See, with this lens, you have to shoot in the middle, because if you shoot anywhere in the corners, it's just gonna blur everything out. So it kind of sucks when you want to mess around a bit. Like when I'm over here, like up a bit, because I have this thing called focus peaking. It has like white lines to make sure that my focus areas that I want is on the, don't shoot me, is on the spot. So when I move it up, it moves, it goes away. Yeah. Hold on, little creature behind you. This one I'm trying to do like a headshot, so you can switch up your pose a bit. Let me see how close I can get. 1, 2, 3. That looks great. Alright guys, I lied. I'm gonna actually set up the photo booth, the portable changing booth that Lenny's gonna change in. Alright, so this is this right here. I got it in green because they didn't have black. But then I thought about it, if you're wearing black and it's hot outside, and you're black in a black tent, you're gonna burn up in there. But yeah, you can get it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, so check it out. Very budget friendly, so yeah. All yours, madam. So yeah, guys. So by the time she closes this, she should be done.
How do I close it? Oh god.
Like you're in a tent. Like it's pretty much like you're in a tent. All right. So I just want to go over this lens a bit. As you may have noticed, with flash, it wasn't popping off here and there. I don't know why. I really don't know. I can't say why. You'll see my next video. When I use the Sigma 16, it went off every single time, like no problem. I'm guessing just because of the manual lens, but I really can't say because I really don't know. All right, so when I was shooting, I mentioned that this is a fixed aperture. I'm stupid. I was just shooting the moment and speaking without thinking. It has 2 rings. One's for your aperture, and one's to, you know, focus, the focus ring. I don't know if you can see, but that's what it looks like right there. With flash, it was just hitting, missing. It would go off here, and then it was not go off. So it was pretty annoying. I cut a lot of it out because it was just, the model was just she was just laughing at my situation. It's definitely a fun lens to have because it gives you that type of, you know, swirly blur, if that's the word. Kind of like a tilt shift lens. Like if you're shooting wide, it's weird. Like it's not my preference because I like to shoot wide, but for this lens, it just gave me a different vibe. It was like, nah, I can't do it. When shooting wide open, I just can't do it. Definitely consider this for like shooting natural light stuff. I will definitely use this lens. I'm definitely going to use this lens again for natural light work, just to make it easier. And when you're shooting with the manual lens, definitely have your focus peaking on. All right, so you go to menu, right there, peaking settings. Go down there, have this on. I have it at high, but you could put it in your mid, low, and you could change the color of it. White is my best preference because I could just see better when I'm using the viewfinder and when I'm using the monitor. Just a better preference for me. But definitely use that for this type of lens where it doesn't automatically magnify for you. So it makes it easier for you to use these type of lenses. Any manual lens that are vintage and are not recognized in software like Lightroom and Photoshop, anything like that. Stay tuned for the next video. And if you like the shirt that I was wearing in this one, there's actually a sweater for it. Check my shop. I'm selling some photography merch there. So anything photography related that I know I'll wear, if you didn't watch my last video, I mentioned that it has a taco right here, got a pizza, and I got a coffee. Those are the main things that I've seen. There's another one I might be doing, but somebody mentioned it, but I'm gonna just let them have it. But yeah, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Turn on the post bell notifications to definitely be notified for the next one, because you'll want to check that out. And yeah, peace. Just a short sneak peek. There was another photographer that intervened with my shoot while we were shooting, so definitely want to check that out.